of you. Listen here, all of you. Life is full of numbers, isn't it? In daily life situation, how we can use the numbers? What is the use of numbers in daily life situation? In daily life situation, if you observe, see, imagine when you will born, your father will note down your date of birth, isn't it? And your height and weight, isn't it? That height and weight, how we can write? By using numbers. By using numbers, we can write the height and date of your birth, isn't it? Now, see, today I am going to explain real numbers. Introduction of real numbers. See, actually, real numbers comes from complex numbers. Okay, real numbers comes from complex numbers. Complex numbers. Complex numbers. Actually, complex numbers two types. Okay, here we can write the form complex numbers like this: a plus ib. Here ib we can call imaginary part and a is a real part. A is real part, ib imaginary part we can call. Here complex number we have two parts, real part and imaginary part. Okay, now this is the real part. Okay, real part. This is the imaginary part. Imaginary part. Okay. Now here real part. Here real part we are having real numbers, isn't it? Real numbers. Real numbers again consist of so many few more set of numbers, isn't it? Real numbers consist of few more set of numbers. Those are natural numbers. Okay, natural numbers. How we can define natural numbers? All counting numbers are called natural numbers. When we count the objects, we can use the numbers. Okay, those are called natural numbers. Okay, natural numbers set is represented by letter N, capital letter N. So we can write this 1, 2, 3 up to so on, infinite. Okay, now here natural number after it is consist of again one more set, that is a whole number set. Whole numbers. It is also consist of whole numbers. Whole number set is represented by W. Okay, whole number set is represented by W like this. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Infinity we have. See how we can get whole numbers. For the if you include 0 to the natural numbers, then we can get a whole number set. Okay, whole number set is represented by W. Again, that we have integers also. In real number set, we have integers also. Integers are also two types. Actually, integer set is represented by I or Z. Integer set is represented by I or Z. Here, integer we can define as the combination of positive numbers and negative numbers including 0. The combination of positive numbers and negative numbers including 0 are called integers. Okay, integers set is represented by integer set is represented by I or Z. Okay, here I or Z. Now here we have integers two types, positive integer set and negative integer set. Okay, here positive integer set we can write 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Negative integer set we can write -1, -2, -3 up to so on. Here 0 neither positive nor negative. 0 is neither positive nor negative. Okay. Overall we can write integer set like this. Okay. Here -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. Like this we can write the integer set. And one more set is you have in real number set, that is here that is the rational number set. Rational number set is represented by Q. Okay, rational number set is represented by Q, capital Q. These numbers we can define as rational number set. The numbers which are in the form of P by Q. The numbers which are in the form of P by Q are called rational numbers. Rational numbers we have two types, positive rational numbers and negative rational numbers. Okay, we can represent positive rational numbers q plus, negative rational numbers q minus. These all are which consist in the real numbers. These all the sets which consist in the real numbers, isn't it? We can draw one diagram also for this. First will come natural numbers, next will come whole numbers, okay, next it will come integers, next it will consist of rational numbers, and all these which consist of real numbers. Okay, now this is the interrelation between the numbers. Among these few more sets, these are the interrelations are there. Okay, these real number set which consist all these remaining number sets, those are these. Okay, this is the introduction of real numbers. In this we can explore the notation of numbers. In this real number chapter we can explore the notation of the numbers. Okay, thank you.